go, you know what to do. Find the potty, it's just for you. Pull down your pants and take a seat. Using the potty, it's really neat. Potty time, let's all cheer. You're doing great, let's give a cheer. When you're finished, wipe front to back, nice and clean.